To buy Ethereum, you can follow these general steps. 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. First, you'll need to find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Ethereum. Some popular exchanges where you can buy Ethereum include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Make sure to research the exchange's fees, security measures, and supported payment methods. 2. Create an account. Once you've selected an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and completing the necessary verification steps, which may include submitting identification documents in compliance with the exchange's Know Your Customer requirements. 3. Deposit funds. After your account is set up and verified, you'll need to deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds via bank transfer, credit/debit card, or other supported payment methods. Some exchanges may also support cryptocurrency deposits. 4. Place an order. With funds in your exchange account, you can now place an order to buy Ethereum. There are two common types of orders: market orders and limit orders. A market order will buy Ethereum at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set the price at which you want to buy Ethereum, and the order will only be executed when the price reaches that level. 5. Securely store your Ethereum. Once your order is executed, the Ethereum you purchased will be credited to your exchange account. It is highly recommended to transfer your Ethereum from the exchange to a private cryptocurrency wallet for better security. Hardware wallets or software wallets are good options for securely storing your Ethereum. 6. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space, as well as security best practices. Cryptocurrency investments involve risks, so it's essential to be well informed and cautious in your actions. Now, I will read any text you type here. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication on your cryptocurrency exchange account for an extra layer of security. This can help protect your account from unauthorized access and potential breaches. Check transaction fees. Be aware of the transaction fees associated with buying Ethereum on the exchange. Different exchanges have varying fee structures, and these fees can impact the overall cost of your purchase. Consider dollar cost averaging. If you're new to investing or unsure about timing the market, consider using a dollar cost averaging strategy. With DCA, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, which can help mitigate the impact of short-term price fluctuations. Beware of phishing scams. Be vigilant about phishing scams and fraudulent websites that impersonate legitimate exchanges. Always double-check the URL of the exchange and use official links to access the platform. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or sharing sensitive information with anyone. Conduct due diligence. Before selecting an exchange, read reviews, check user feedback, and research the platform's reputation. Look for exchanges with strong security measures, a user-friendly interface, and excellent customer support. Secure your private keys. If you decide to use a private cryptocurrency wallet, ensure you keep your private keys or recovery phrases safe and accessible only to you. Losing access to your private keys can result in the permanent loss of your Ethereum. Understand taxes. Be aware of the tax implications of buying and holding Ethereum in your country. Cryptocurrency transactions may be subject to capital gains tax, so consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Avoid emotional trading. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and price fluctuations can be significant. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid emotional trading. Keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and market trends. Staying informed can help you make better investment decisions and understand the dynamics of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and prices can be subject to rapid and substantial changes. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always exercise caution in the cryptocurrency market. If you're unsure about any aspect of the process, seek guidance from experienced investors or financial advisors.